Press and hold the power button on the right for 3 seconds to turn it on, and slowly illuminate the moving logo lens with the imager hand and cable. You can clearly see the image on the monitor. Button in the lower left corner to view the settings. First, the system setting. In this option, you can view and change the language, set the day and time, switch, helper mode, automatic shutdown, restore factory settings. Second, the recording setting. In this option, you can set to open the microphone, sound, rotation method, and time display. Third, camera color setting. Fourth, memory management. Fifth, device information. First, show the recording function. Click the button on the back of the device to start recording, and then click to stop. The button in the lower right corner switch the camera function. Press the button on the back of the device to take a photo. Then you can press the button in the upper right corner of the device to view albums and video recordings.